Hello and welcome to our video about the state of the banking industry in 2023. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how the banking industry has been doing over the past year, what changes have taken place, and what we expect for the future. To start, let's take a quick look back at the last year. The banking industry faced a lot of challenges in 2022 due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, economy uncertainty, and changing consumer behavior. Many banks were forced to adapt quickly to meet the needs of their customers and ensure that they could continue to operate efficiently in the face of these challenges. One of the most significant changes we saw in the banking industry over the past year was an increase in digital banking. With more people working from home and avoiding in-person interactions, banks had to shift their focus to digital channels to provide customers with the services they needed. This led to an increase in online and mobile banking services, as well as the introduction of new features like digital wallets and contactless payment. Another trend that emerged in the banking industry in 2022 was the rise of sustainable and social reasonable banking. Customers were increasingly. Overall, the industry has remained resilient in the face of ongoing challenges. While the pandemic is still causing some uncertainty, banks have been able to adapt and continue to provide essential services to their customers. One of the most notable trends we're seeing in the banking industry in 2023 is the continued growth in digital marketing. With more people than ever before using online and mobile banking services, banks are investing heavily in their digital capacities. This includes the development of new digital tools and services to make banking more convenient and accessible for customers. Other trend that's gaining momentum in the banking industry is the use of artificial intelligence, aka AI, and machine learning. Banks are increasingly using these technologies to improve the customer experience, automate processes, and detect and prevent fraud. AI is also being used to develop new products and services that can help customers manage their finances more efficiently. Another area where we're seeing growth in the banking industry is sustainable and social reasonable banking. As consumers become more aware of the impact their financial decisions can have on the world, they're looking for banks that share their values. Many banks are responding by launching new sustainable and social responsible products and services such as green bonds, impact investing, and sustainable mortgages. Despite these positive trends, there are still some challenges that the banking industry is facing in 2023. One of the biggest challenges is the ongoing economic uncertainty caused by the pandemic. While many countries are starting to recover, there's still a lot of uncertainty around how long it will take for the economies to fully bounce back. Another challenge the bank is facing is increased competition. With the rise of fintech and other non-traditional financial services providers, banks are facing more competition than ever before. This has forced many banks to rethink their strategies and find new ways to stay competitive in an increasingly crowded market. So what can we expect from the banking industry in the future? One thing is for sure, the industry will continue to evolve and adapt to meet the changing needs of customers and the broader society and social reasonable banking. We may also see more consolidation in the banking industry as larger banks look to acquire smaller ones in order to expand their offerings and customer base. This could lead to more concentrated industry with fewer players dominating the market. If you enjoyed this episode on Financial Gurus, please make sure you hit the like button down below. Also subscribe and leave a comment, as it helps the YouTube algorithm and helps bring traction to our channel.